Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. At first open your raw image. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+J. Now, select Quick Selection tool. Select the main subject of your image. Create a new layer, fill it any color. This layer helps you in later. Press Ctrl+Shift+I for a reverse selection. Apply the Shift blur for fuzzy effect in background. I set 15 blur level for my image. This depends on you, or your image. Select high quality, and press OK. Apply level, and balance your image contrast. Apply hue saturation, and increase saturation. Press Ctrl, and press it on layer icon. Now you select your subject. Take brush, reduce the flow. Now brush in selected area. It's reduce saturation. From subject. Take a new layer, select brush, set the flow around 100%. Paint every part of your skin with white color. Set the blend mode to soft light. Now play with opacity. Take mask, select black color. Now paint the unwanted part. Create new layer. Select brush. Select orangish color. And dab it 2 times. Set blend mode to screen, and place it. Reduce opacity. Take color lookup table. Choose edgy amber. Set blend mode to hue. Play with opacity. Again, take color lookup table. Choose crisp warm. Set blend mode to luminosity. And play with opacity. Group it by pressing Ctrl+G, check before and after. After that we create a nice photo effect. Subscribe me for more amazing tips, tricks or tutorial.